Come on. Ooh. What are we gonna open today?
Your play button.
Yeah, okay, let's check it out, okay?
How sharp is it?
Very sharp. Daddy sharpened it, okay? This side too. Ooh. Okay.
Okay.
Wait, I think I gotta cut one more spots.
Okay.
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 Ready? Here it is.
Yep.
You wanna do it?
Do the honors.
Sure, you may do the honors. Okay, ready? Let me check.
Here it is, Dad.
Wait. Slowly. Okay. This is a fancy letter.
Wait,
What?
Dad. I meant this kind.
What?
I meant this kind that you can still get.
Oh, this one? Yeah. What do you think?
Good.
Pretty cool, yeah. Here, you wanna feel it? Look at that. Oh gosh, they can see all of our mess on our counter. You wanna take off the wrapper?
Let's do it. Woo!
What do you think?
Pretty good. Pretty good, Dad.
Yeah. Thank you. Thanks, son. Look how shiny it is.
Oh yeah, pretty. You should make it like into a mirror.
Yeah, I can think so. Oh yeah. Who? You want me to say who you are? This is my #1 fan. Who's my #1 fan?
Me.
Yay! Oh, he wants everybody to check out his YouTube channel. What's your YouTube channel name?
Mason's Drawings, and there's gonna be a new YouTube channel named Mason Plays.
Okay, Mason Plays.
And my real name is Mason.
Yeah, that's right. Okay.
Thank you for watching, everyone.